for other precedents.
Well, I'm disappointed in that answer. I think it's unsatisfactory.
At a Senate Judiciary Committee hearing on July 30th, Senator Blumenthal asked Stephen Meredith and William Mercer, who are both seeking confirmation to be U.S. District Judges, about their opinions on historical Supreme Court rulings, including one on same-sex marriage. Watch it all unfold right here.
You think Brown versus Board of Education was correctly decided?
Do I think Brown versus Board of Education was correctly decided? Yes, Senator.
How about Loving versus Virginia?
Yes.
And Obergefell versus Hodges, correctly decided?
Well, Senator, I'm comfortable saying that Brown and Loving are correctly decided because I think those are so deeply entrenched in our nation's judicial tradition that I think there's absolutely no legitimate chance that anyone will challenge them. For other Supreme Court decisions, I'm hesitant to make an assessment because I don't think it's my job today to grade the Supreme Court or offer assessments of whether they're right or wrong. And, it's for other precedents.
Well, I'm disappointed in that answer. I think it's unsatisfactory given that Obergefell is established and well accepted precedent. Let me ask you, Mr. Mercer, do you think Brown versus Board of Education was correctly decided?
Yes, I do, Senator.
And Loving versus Virginia?
Yes, I do, Senator.
How about Obergefell?
Senator, my position on that is that that's binding precedent that the Supreme Court has issued, and if I had that matter come before me, I would adhere to that binding precedent.
So you believe it was correctly decided?
I believe I would be bound by it precedentially, and I would follow it as precedent.
But you're distinguishing that Supreme Court precedent from Loving and Brown.
Senator, as this committee has heard from other nominees, given the passage of time, and as my fellow panelists has indicated, that history, that you have heard from other nominees the same thing, and I believe that's the correct answer.
For more clips like this, stay tuned to Congress Clips, and thanks for watching.